No more worrying about your sloppy handwriting. Let Cricut do the work for you. After you've loaded your place card template, select the top layer and select Score from the Operation dropdown. Next, click the text on the left. Type the name you like, and then choose the font. I primarily use the Cricut Sans because it's free and has the writing option. You'll need to make sure that whatever font you use has the writing option. Move your text to the center of the card and scale to fit. Then select all the layers and click Attach so that they won't separate. Then click Make and change your settings to match your paper as you normally do. The Cricut scores first and then you'll add the pin. I prefer the 0.4 tip, but any size will work. After you've added the pin, click the Cricut button again and let it do all the work for you. Gently peel your new place card from your mat. This mat right here is pretty new and that's why it's not coming off very easily. Fold it in half and then you're ready to set your table with your beautiful new place cards.